Stop out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could burn some. Come through, come through.
What's up? What it do? It's your girl, Miss Naja to you. And today, I guess you're gonna spend the day with us. With me, but with us.
I'm back.
He's back, y'all. And he came back in his new truck. You can tell he's excited, but he ain't trying to show it for y'all. You know what I'm saying? You excited?
I'm excited. You're trying to figure out what year this truck is. That's what I'm doing.
But yes, y'all. So right now we're at Buffalo Wild Wings. We're about to grab something to eat because we're hungry. Very hungry. I don't know about him, but I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm the one who made us come out this early.
True, but I'm hungry. So yes, we're about to grab something to eat and then run a couple of errands and then clean out his new truck. And yeah, so we about to get the day started and we will see y'all in a few. Thank you.
You drive a minute? Okay.
So y'all, guess what I got? I got a Dr. Pepper, baby. It's good and nice.
That's why you got that.
No, I like Dr. Pepper.
But you had to use that.
Dr. Pepper, baby. It's good and nice. Doo-doo-doo. You got a Starry. I have green barbecue, buffalo medium, and fries. What you got?
Alright.
He has hot, buffalo hot, barbecue, and french fries. Alright, y'all, so we finna grub this food down and we will see y'all in a few. So we made it to Albertsons. See? Yo, it's so cold out here. It's a sleep weather, but we're going inside to pick up his mom, which is my second mom, but his mom, some flowers. We feel like she needs some. So, yeah. Y'all, it's batch cold, like real cold. Ooh. We have all the Mardi Gras stuff and the Valentine's stuff. This is cute. This is cute.
It say $5.99 each, but that shit say $25.
Oh my gosh. Maybe they talk about the little plants. Okay, floral is over there. Look at the cute little bears. Y'all, I be having to remind myself we coming in the store for one thing because I will leave out with like 5.
I'm doing some flowers, then I'm gonna do some black eyed peas.
Don't do that. No. Those are cute. Let's see. This isn't ugly. Dan?
No,
I'm sorry.
I can put the yellows.
Yellow.
This will do.
Okay.
She gotta get both Valentine's Day anyway.
Oh. Alright, y'all, so we decided to go with the yellow ones. It's so cold up in here.
She been nice for like this. I'll give her some Oreos.
Oreos?
Yeah. They're the same price.
You need those? Okay. Alright, y'all, so we got our Oreos and her flowers, and we're about to head out of here So we see y'all at our next stop. Y'all, so we're walking into Burlington's. Y'all, look at the smart car, guys. Oh my gosh. Hello. Thank you. Alright, y'all, so we made it into Burlington's. I want to get his mom, which is my mom, which is his mom, a purse. A nice little purse. Let's go on this side. He's too busy being nosy. Let's see.
Say I won't.
What? I was thinking like a nice white one. What you think? You're fine. I'm indecisive on what kind I want to get her. Excuse me. I think I'm gonna do a white one. She like that?
Put this on your shoulder. Yeah. I know my mama will.
I don't know which one I want to get her. This one just gives plain, but I like it. Look. This one gives plain, but I like it, babe. Or that one. For real?
Yeah.
I like that. That's mine for real. That's mine for real.
Go for a change my mind. This one.
That one's cute too.
What else you want?
Yeah, he's so ag.
That's it?
I guess.
For real, that's it?
Yeah.
We got some clothes.
You like this for real? For her? I like it too.
And y'all can go shopping with them one day we matching.
I like this for her,
You're not
guys.
gonna go shopping with my mama. Just y'all two.
I would if she was up for it, like, you know. You want that?
I really do. It's for men though?
Yeah, it's on the men's side.
Yep, a men firm bag.
You want this?
I want the black. I think I want that one.
What you gonna use it for?
I like the pew pew.
The what?
I like get my pew pew.
You getting a pew pew?
Yeah. Use this for the cruise.
Yo, why am I in love with this boy? Like, pew pew is crazy.
I'm getting my pew pew. I don't need it right now, but I do want a bag like this though.
Okay. Noted. Yeah, he's so bougie and ignorant. So I'm looking at some hats. I don't know. He's starting to get into hats. I don't like these. Looks like he's getting the hat. Look at this. I came here to get his mama a purse. So this is the one that we decided on. I think it's cute. I think she'll like this. It got like, it gives bougie, like, it got pearls and stuff in it, you know? Yeah. Yeah. This one?
Yeah.
This one it is. Alright, y'all, so we're about to check out and I will see y'all in a few. So we made it to Walmart. We're about to go pick up little things for his trucky truck. To kind of clean out the inside or whatnot, and look for some other stuff. Alright, y'all. So I picked out this comforter set for him. I also got this Febreze. It's called Tropical Blend. It smells really good. We got us some gloves to kind of clean it out some. Yeah. You can stick these, huh? I think so. Oh, you need AAA batteries. Yup, cut, peel, and stick. You can't cut these because if you cut them, the light won't stop working. These 10 inches.
Yeah, but that one 10 feet. That one 25 feet.
So do the 10. Which one you?
10 should be good. It's nothing. It's $4.
And we just come back?
Yeah, we just come back.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all have a good one.
You too. Okay, y'all. So we got him a little phone mount or holder, whatever you call it. And some little LED lights.
I'm looking for one specific one.
That watermelon?
The best one.
Oh, the black ice?
The best one.
Yes.
And I want to find some of these too.
Alright, y'all. So we're about to check out and we're about to go clean his truck out and set up this little bed for him. Well, not the bed, but like, you know, the comforter set. And we will see y'all in the truck. Alright, y'all. So we made it to his truck. We're about to get out.
I finished everything that I needed to finish, and this is the truck that they gave me. A nice Volvo Jordan Carriers, you know, truck. Of course, I have.
Y'all, look at all of this load and stuff back here. Like, oh my gosh. I'm not walking all the way back here because it's real muddy, but yeah, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Y'all, this truck is way too big for me. Like, oh my gosh. But this truck right here is temporary. He is getting a newer one. But yeah, we're about to get ready to clean the inside of the truck. Alright, you guys, so we're about to do a truck tour.
Extremely bad.
Alright, y'all, so we're about to go inside. Mr. Truck Driver himself.
Mr. Truck Driver himself. You see the raindrops. But yeah, like I said, I have not done anything to the truck yet. I just grabbed it and I brought it home. So you can kind of see that it is still extremely a little dirty. Not a little, but very dirty. But you okay back there?
I'm freezing.
This is the truck, everybody. Nice sleep right here. Goes the bed in the back. I'm about to go ahead and start the truck up so we can get some heat up in here.
And this is the back.
Get some heat. I'm coming. I'm trying to get some heat.
No, I'm admiring my view.
You what?
I'm admiring my view.
Oh.
Ooh.
You know what you like what you see?
Do your job, Mr. Truck Driver. Y'all, my man drive trucks. What the helly?
Everywhere up in here.
So what's this for?
Well, I put my microwave in,
Okay, microwave.
which I
This
don't
is
understand how.
like a fridge.
I don't understand how you get this untied, but they ain't give me no, you know what to call. They ain't give me no. Dang, this thing blowing fast.
And this is where the TV goes.
Yep. mount the TV at.
Okay. And what's this?
This could be like the closet space.
Closet
or
space.
I can
Oh.
put my mini fridge up in there.
Okay.
Or I can put my fridge up in here. I'll just have to figure out how to take this out.
Okay.
But I can put the fridge up in there.
Nice little window back there.
Nice window that I'm gonna keep up so I don't want nobody watching.
Okay.
This I was talking about.
Okay.
Got a nice little stand. Do this.
The stand.
Probably give me like a little desk or something like this so I can cook.
Okay, what's this?
Nice little cup holders.
Cup holders.
And like I said, you got
Oh, like a little
outlets
seat. Yes.
everywhere. I can open up, but
Okay.
Alka-Seltzers.
Okay. Period.
This is the book that they gave us for the truck, which I don't understand what none of this stuff means. Just told me to put it up there.
Okay.
But this is my truck. Like I said, I didn't do anything to it just yet.
Yo, I'm in a truck driver. What the hell?
Yeah, we're about to get this cleaned up. Gotta go ahead to the store, a few errands. But yeah, this is my truck.
But yes, y'all, so we finna go get this stuff cleaned up in here, and we will see y'all in a few. Some Armor.
We also got more wipes, more air freshener, more air freshener.
Scrubby brush.
We got a scrubby brush because we got all these dust that's on the floor that we need to get up out of here.
Some black ice.
We got some air fresheners. Somebody else coming to check out their truck.
Some more air fresheners.
More air fresheners. We got a towel.
A little towel.
We got everything. And the big and number one thing that I received as a nice little gift.
I gave him a gift, y'all.
And she done got me a nice comforter set.
Period.
Red, black, and white, my favorite colors. So thank you to the baby.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
But now we're about to go ahead and get this cleaning started. I have to do a couple things, a lot of little handyman work. So we're about to see, but we're about to go ahead and get started cleaning. Okay.
We'll see y'all later. last thing we need is to get like a little extension cord with the USB to plug it up, and he should be all set. Alright y'all, so that wraps up this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because if it's not to you, then who? Alright y'all, we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!